Alright guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to figure out when is a good time to change the coolant in your vehicle. And also, we're going to take a look at a 1955 Chevy, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, I get asked all the time, what YouTube videos do you watch? You know, what creators do you subscribe to? So I figured I'd put together a list of them and let you guys see who it is that I watch. So here you go. Alright guys, I thought this would be fun to show you guys just how long should you leave coolant in your vehicle. So, you know, I'm sure there's lots of different opinions on it, and a lot of people, you know, have different ideas of what the right amount of time is, but in my opinion, it may have been left in this truck just a little bit too long.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, this is going to go down. It's probably one of the worst. It's not thinning out.
No.
it's just as muddy. I'm waiting for a mummy to come out of it. All right, go ahead.
All right, we had something happen last weekend that rarely happens here. We had 7 inches of snow, so it was the first time both of my dogs had seen snow, so I thought it'd be fun to show you a little clip of that. Here you go. This is the first time both of these guys have seen snow. Ozzy's eating a little bit of it. buddy Dan stopped by today, and he's working on this 55 Chevy. So I figured I'd take a few minutes and walk around it. He's working on getting power windows put in right now. I'm not sure why it's here, but I'll figure that out, and I'll let you guys know. But anyway, like I say, I figured I'd walk around it and just show it to you guys. So the gold part of it, hopefully I can get it here. It's got some flake in it, and it's pretty cool. Try to get it in the sun. Hopefully you guys can see it. I think it's showing up there. This is just kind of a car he drives around in just for the fun of it, and you know, kind of uses it as an everyday type car. So like I say, he's working on the windows right now. He's going to put power windows in it. So that's why the door panels are off, or portions of them anyway. You can see it laying there in the back seat. I think we're gonna put this up on the lift later, so if we do, I'll shoot a little footage of the underside as well. I'll open the hood and you guys can see what the motor's like in here. I think this is a 350. I don't have the keys right now, so hopefully I'll get them later. We can hear it run too. All right, I guess the customer's thinking about putting a different transmission in this. There's nothing wrong with this one. They've got just a different one they like to put in. So I'm gonna throw it up on the lift and make sure that the one that we've got is gonna work in this car. And we'll go from there. Oh. Oh, little belt squeal. There it goes. All right, here we go. Garage door opener button. All right.
I thought we agreed on putting the Toyota on here. It's got a different speedo. $7 and about a quarter.
All right, 7 1/4.
And then trying to see, he's got this over here. He ran off. We got to see if we have that port he went into there.
Yeah.
And then he's got that plug, the 4-prong plug over here. Yeah. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bolts. 7 1/4. Here's the thing we gotta figure out. His speedometer looks a little different, but we'll take a look. Yeah.
Is that right, 6280?
We just got him on the road.
What is this RX?
Right side up.
This car's actually very solid. Sorry for the glare.
It might be right, Ken. Yeah, it's just, the Speedo's one. It's just one bolt on the Speedo like that one.
Oh, okay.
And then,
Is that 7 1/4?
yeah, I mean, you know, give or take, I was close because it was from the air, but.
That's, yeah, an eighth
Close
of an
enough.
inch, close enough.
Um,
And then that port,
help me out, what did I say? I forgot.
there was a port on the side that was kind of a diagonal
yeah,
thing, but I
this
wonder
is-
if that's it. Well, it kind of stuck back like this.
But let me get my light. Oh, no, I guess it should have it.
There's the fill.
That's
Here's the
dipstick, yeah.
cooler lines.
Am I? Let's go back over there and look. Because he put, unless he tapped it.
It's got the old school Kragers on it. That's kind of cool.
You like those?
I kind of do, yeah.
Yeah, I never was a Krager fan.
I never liked the Keystone Classics.
Yeah, I was a little bit more of a Keystone Classic guy
Yeah,
because of the two-tone, you know, the black and the chrome.
yeah. But overall, this is a nice car. It's real solid. I think my favorite old rim is the old slotted rims like my Super B has on it. I like those a lot. right, so it looks like the transmission in the 55 here is a little bit different than the one that's in the box. So looks like this car is going to get to keep its transmission, and the one in the box is going to go in a Suburban that Dan also owns. So that's what it was actually originally ordered for, and then he got the idea to put the new one in the 55 and to take the one in the 55 and put it in his Suburban. So, but looks like that's not going to work, so the new transmission is going to go in the Suburban. Hardly ever see these with all the extra bumper parts on the front. That's pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. Let the cars go by. Alright guys, I get asked all the time, what other YouTube videos do you watch by, what creators? Alright guys, I get asked all the time, so I thought I'd post a list of what subscribers I subscribe to, or what